Hi everybody, this is Jerry of Jerry and Julie Music. Today I'm going to review the BLUETTI AC2A portable power station, which I also like to think of as a portable generator, or if you have the equipment to hook it up to solar energy, you'd call it a solar generator. I read that this has the capacity to do that, but this is just the power station today. AC2A-US-CY-BL-010 is the long name of the model number. So let's see what I find out. That's P-AC2A-US-CY-BL-010. That's a mouthful. Let me do the unboxing. Won't be a review today, but be the unboxing part. Hope to be a review, but maybe at some later point. I got this on a Cyber Monday special, and I thought about the summer getting a Jackery, and I would have liked to get the U.S. product made in the United States, but like usual, China's cheaper, and seems to be a top competitor of theirs. So let's see what happens. Yeah, BLUETTI. I had to do some research because all I knew was Jackery for months, and I just waited for a good sale, Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I've got a lot of uses I was thinking of for this. As you know, we're musicians, and well, not all of you are subs to our channel. We are a music channel, and I use that Casio digital piano over there with all kinds of bells and whistles. And when it gets cold or something, or I was in the street, but when they take them away, I was just thinking, well, what am I going to play then on a warm day in May or something, or in October? You get mild stretches, and this can still go out. We busk. I tried it. It has battery capacity, but it didn't last like more than 2 hours. So I thought about this for multi reasons. Thought about the Jackery at first. I'm sure it's good, but practical money. You're gonna save money, and I'm hoping to use this not only as that on the street. You could bring it in a forest or something. You know, these power stations. I'll show you if they have like 2 AC jacks, so the thing that goes into the wall socket can now go into this. When you charge this thing, they say you can charge cell phones at the same time, and there's 2 AC outlets. So I hope also in the winter, when I'm home here, keep it as a backup if the power goes out. You know, plug in a few things in there. And also, you know, we have one outlet that's bad, so it's kind of going to make up for that too. So I get an electrician here. Okay. Yeah. Don't mind my clumsy ways. Manual at some point I'll read, but I don't know if any of you like me, too lazy to read the manual. I'm just going to start with common sense. Let's see. It's in here. Looks like the AC, yeah. AC adapter. When I get it open. Doesn't smell too bad. A lot of these products, you know. I'm expecting this awful smell, but not so far. So when I get that open, maybe in a while I'll have it pause, but yeah, let me take out the main unit now. Pretty light. It's about 7.8 pounds. Not too bad. When something doesn't smell like it, awful, you know, usually you have to go somewhere and air it out for a week or something like that. There it is. Look at that interface. 2 AC outlets. This looks like USB. See, that'd be for little smaller devices. DC output. Yeah, see that? Different USB A through C probably, and DC output. Got to study it. I'll have to study this a little. Like I said, this is an unboxing. I might review it down the line, but I'm just showing you what's in here now. You can pause that a minute, please. Okay, got these cables untied, and this one, I got 2 kind of cables. This is for the solar panel that I've never used in my life. And this thing, before I do this thing will go in here. See, yellow with yellow, like that. This end, whatever that looks like, solar panels. I never owned one in my life, but it's kind of down here. So if and when I ever get one, those connectors will go to it, but I have to study that. Imagine that. You could be out in an RV in the desert in Arizona and never have an electric bill. Pretty cool. Yeah, so anyway, this one, this thing for the cigarette lighter, if you ever want to do that. And like I said, these are USB. This DC apparently it would do the solar. And now we got the two AC plugs. Now I'm going to show you where this goes. Right into here. It gets into the wall. And other than that, you know, be the manual. There we go. Just look for an outlet, you know, and I assume everything will go fine. Other than that, you got to study the manual. Maybe someday, but I think this solar panel costs probably twice as much as this unit. So yeah, if you want a cheaper starting solar generator or power station, whatever you want to say, consider the BLUETTI AC2A 300 watt. And you know the model number already from the beginning. Yeah, and that's all I could say for this unboxing. I know I did about a half a review here, but really I haven't experienced it yet. So maybe there'll be a part 2 coming up. For now, have a good day and consider that. If you're ever thinking about that, consider this model. Take care. Have a great holiday season. Bye.